masterpiece, bro. Like, what the fuck? Have you seen this car? It's crazy. And for the fact that this is the first ever Lamborghini hybrid car, high performance electric.
Coming in on target. You need to move a little faster than that, son. Heat is life.
It's massive. 105 m constant velocity, if I'm not mistaken. Those numbers are wild, and it goes 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. I'm gonna let you all see what I'm talking about, guys. The interior, the Cantara, everything, the V12, bro. They nailed this one. Lamborghini did not miss on this one. I would like to know what you all think about this one, guys. I would really like to know what you all think. But the car is mind-blowing. And for the fact that it is a replacement of the iconic, legendary Lamborghini Aventador SVG or SV or whatever. It is a replacement of the Lamborghini Aventador. And I can say for the fact that you're not missing out on the Lamborghini Aventador that much, because this car just came in and blend in everything. Bravo, bravo Lamborghini, bravo. Guys, watch and see what you all think about this car.